Welcome to my blog. My name is Charles Willmott and I'm a Jacksonville board certified divorce lawyer. I'm glad you stopped by my site today so that we can answer some of the most basic questions that you'll have about divorce. Now, if you're going through a divorce, I understand it's a tough time. Don't freak out. There's no reason to. First thing you should do is get on the internet or call me and set up an appointment with a board certified divorce lawyer. Most of us lawyers provide a free consultation. You can come on in, we'll spend 30 minutes to an hour, and we'll sit down and we'll talk about your case. Usually after people talk to me, most people will leave here and feel a lot better about their case, because I try to give you a real good roadmap about how the divorce process is going to occur, what you can expect from a judge, whether or not it would be in your best interest to try to just work it out with your spouse as opposed to going to court, and give you a pretty good understanding of how much this is going to cost and how long it's going to take. Now in Florida we got contested divorces and uncontested divorces, and people say, well, what's the difference? An uncontested divorce means that you and your spouse pretty much have an agreement about what you're going to do with your divorce. That means that you've resolved all the issues from soup to nuts, whether it's your children, your pots and pans, your child support, alimony, what you're going to do with the house. When you come to me, or if you have questions about those things, we try to work them out. If it's a contested divorce, that means that the judge has to decide some issues. That means that maybe you agree on a lot of things, but you just don't agree on everything. But either way, we can help you here at my office. An uncontested divorce, the way that works is that I can't meet with both parties. No lawyer can do that. So I can't meet with you and your spouse, because a lawyer is not allowed to give legal advice to both parties. Your spouse would have to go and talk to their own lawyer. So you'll come in and sit down and I'll talk to you and I'll get all the background about your case, and then when it's finished I'll give you, like I said, a pretty good idea of what I think the judge might do in your case. At which time you'll go and talk to your spouse and you two sit down, go to Starbucks, have a coffee, do something like that, and just map it out. Say, here's what we're going to do with the kids, here's what we're going to do with the house, here's how much we both need or can afford to pay. And you come back to me with your agreement. I type it up. I'll email it to you. Maybe there's a couple more changes or drafts. And if you and your spouse both sign it and we take it to the judge and the judge approves it, then that's it, you're divorced. We have to wait 20 days by law after we file. The filing fee is typically about $409 for the filing fee at the clerk's office. And my fees really depend on your case. Obviously, if you're a multi-millionaire, then with vast property and businesses, then that costs more than the people that just got a house and a dog and a couple of cars. Now, if it's a contested divorce, I'll sit down with you and we'll talk about what I think the judge might do with your case, and also about doing some pre-divorce planning, whether it's figuring out how to discuss things with your spouse or try to reach a settlement agreement before filing. I try to figure out what is in your best interest. So I've given you a lot of information to start with. The best thing to do is to pick up the phone or email me. My website's jacksdivorce.com. My email's cewillmott@comcast.net. If you email me, I typically email you back right away. That's something that you're going to like about my office, is that I return all my calls or my emails the same day or early the next morning if I was in court late the night before. So the phone number is 358-7818. Call me. The consultation is free. Like I said, it doesn't cost anything to talk to me. I'll give you my honest opinion, and if at the end of the consultation you think we're a good fit, you'd like to work together, I'll be happy to help you about your case, and I look forward to hearing from you. Have a great day and God bless.